it's Diane from So Charming Quilts, and I'm here to tell you about a new project that's going to start in January. We are going to start sewing a quilt a month along with the Calendar Quilt series from Robert Kaufman. Our first quilt is Pearl Stars. This is the January pattern, and I want to show you the fabrics that will go along with this. We will be offering quilt kits in the studio if you are interested in sewing along with us. But I wanted to show you the fabrics that we're going to cut later today to put together these quilts. They feature all of the Kona cottons. Here is our first selection of fabric. We have Kona White, Cloud, Nightfall, Blueprint, Blue Jay, Hyacinth, Cornflower, oh, I'm sorry, this is Periwinkle, Cornflower, and Nautical. These will be the first colors that will be used in our quilt. Again, it is Pearl Stars. We will have quilt kits featured on the website later that you can purchase. We're going to offer tips and tricks along the way as we sew each month. Join us every month to find out what our new quilt is. And if you're interested in joining along, check out our website, SoCharmingQuilts.com. Thank you.